Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook deep fried fish with ginger scallion sauce. So I have 2 pieces of fish fillet, ikan tingkeri or mackerel fish, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili garlic oil. This is homemade chili garlic oil. This is how it looks like. I have also uploaded the video of chili garlic oil and I will share the link down below this video as well. I have 3 tablespoons of ginger scallion sauce. This is also homemade ginger scallion sauce. It's going to finish already. I will also share the links down below this video as well. And this deep fried fish is best pairing with cut shallots and also parsley. This is optional. First, I like to start off with marinating the fish with salt. So I use very little salt to marinate the fish. Just 1/8 teaspoon of salt. I just only sprinkle just a little bit. When we fry fish, we don't put salt, right? It's not nice. So just a bit will do. Okay, fish is marinated. Now we're going to prepare the sauce. Heat the pan and we're going to put in the ginger scallion sauce. And the chili, light soya sauce. Just give it a mix over the heat. Just put it over a heat for about 30 seconds will do. And now I'm going to switch off the heat. You can give it a taste. It's delicious. It's enough taste, enough flavor. You want to add on more seasoning or you want to add on sugar is okay. But for this one, it's already delicious. And I'm going to put it aside. Now we're going to fry the fish. So I have preheated the oil. This oil is really very hot. We're going to put in the fish. For the fish fillet like this, right, it doesn't require to cook too long. I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes. I'm going to cover the pot first. After 5 minutes, let's take a look at the fish. Okay, fish is ready. Now I'm going to take it out from the pan. Switch off the heat. I'm going to heat up the sauce just a bit and I'm going to put in the fish like this. Let it coat the fish with the sauce that we prepare. Okay. Just do it one by one. Can switch off the heat now because we don't need it to be too hot actually. Fish looks so yummy. Let's try. Wow, it is so delicious. The fish is very tasty, very fresh, and it's cooked just perfectly. The sauce is very nice fragrance of the ginger scallion sauce and with the spiciness from the chili, and then come in the freshness and the crunchiness of the shallots and parsley. It's so appetizing, very savory, really good. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.